Hi Conquistadors! We are at the start of our second week of non-traditional learning. You all rocked it last week. Your teachers want to say thank you so much for your hard work, flexibility, and positive attitude as we all figured out the best way to continue learning outside of the classrooms. This video will go over the expectations we are going to have of you each day and hopefully clear up some confusion some of you might be having. You'll be able to refer back to this slideshow. It'll be posted in Google Classroom. So these are our weekly and daily expectations of you. First, attendance is mandatory. So the way we'll be taking attendance starting today and moving forward is you must fill out the Google form in the Conquistador Team Google Classroom every day by 8 a.m. This is just like coming to Blazer and us taking attendance. It's the exact same thing. You're just going to go to the form. We'll post a new one every day. And you simply have to fill out your goals for the day to count towards your attendance. Don't make us call you and wake you up. So we will be looking at attendance pretty seriously. So be sure that you're on top of that. That should be the first thing you do to start your day. Next, it's important that if you have not already, you have joined each teacher's individual Google Classroom and that you are checking it daily. So I've posted everyone's Google Classroom codes. Remember, Miss Gervin uses Canvas, so you'll need to go to Canvas for her classroom. But for your other 4 teachers, go to their Google Classroom daily. That's where each of us are going to be posting our daily expectations, new resources, any upcoming due dates. We might post times for live video meetings. So it's very important that you look in each Google Classroom every day. Many of you have done a great job reaching out to us when you have questions. Just kind of a rule of thumb for a way to contact your teachers. Most of us right now are using Google Hangouts, and that is really great for quick chat and quick questions. So yes or no answers, or asking for an assessment to be approved. Email works a little bit better when you have more questions or when you need more resources. Maybe you need a longer explanation. Email is great for those kind of questions. And then finally, phone and video chat. We are happy to do that with you, but that should be more of a special circumstances sort of thing. So perhaps send your an email requesting a phone or a video conversation, and we'll be happy to set that up with you. And then just some other general advice for you all. Many of you have mentioned that you've been overwhelmed with the workload. You should think of these days as a normal school day, where you're spending 45 minutes in every teacher's classroom. In this case, you could approach it as trying to complete one small task in each subject every day. Maybe that's taking notes, taking an assessment, joining a Kahoot review, joining a video meeting, working on part of a project. That would be great ways to continue to keep up with your classwork for every teacher. Now, some of you are moving quickly through science, through social studies, through ELA, and that will simply free up more time for your other subjects. If you do complete a subject, be sure you still check your teacher's Google Classroom, as expectations may change. There may be new tasks to complete. Another word of advice is read all the directions for the projects and then ask for help. We're happy to help you, but it's really important that you're going through each project and reading what the expectations are and then asking questions if you don't understand. Make sure you're not too hard on yourself. Give yourself breaks during the day. It's great if you can chunk your day. Think of it in pieces. And finally, I suggest you write out a to-do list for yourself every morning. I know that I do this every single day. It feels great to check off tasks when you accomplish them. So hopefully that will help keep you from feeling like you're overwhelmed if you make a list of 4 or 5 key things to work on during the day. Remember, we miss you all and we are here for you. We can't wait to see you all again, and we cannot emphasize enough how hard you've worked and how flexible you've been, and you all are awesome. So hang in there, keep up the great work.